Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by pinpointing the LB symptom so you fix the root cause. If the button is sticky versus not registering, the approach differs. Once done, remove power and batteries to avoid shorts. Use a T6 and T8 Torx plus a plastic spudger. Keep screws organized in a bowl. First actionable step: open the back shell carefully, pry clips, unscrew Torx screws, and separate halves while watching ribbon cables. Do this slowly to avoid breaking tabs. Once the shell is open, you'll expose the LB module and the thin ribbon cable. Make sure to note orientation for reassembly. Carefully lift the switch housing and inspect the metal spring or dome. Dirt, corrosion, or misalignment causes failures. Clean contacts with 90% plus isopropyl on a swab and blow out debris with compressed air. If a foam or plastic plunger is worn, replace it. If a ribbon connector is loose, reseat and lock it. This often restores reliable presses. You're ready to reassemble. Reconnect ribbons, align the trigger mechanism, and loosely reattach screws so you can test before fully torquing down. Press LB repeatedly to confirm travel and responsiveness. Once satisfied, tighten screws evenly and snap the shell closed. If it still double presses or fails, swap the trigger module or plunger. Alternatively, perform a firmware reset on your console. Troubleshooting tip: if intermittent, record the behavior. Heat or moisture can cause transient faults. Indicating a replacement is safest.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.